heap of dust, people. Whole heap of dust. Yeah. Look at the dust, people. Yo.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Hey guys, so today's journey will actually take us to St. Thomas. Alright? So we're currently in the vicinity of the Harborview roundabout, and we're gonna make our way to St. Thomas, guys. Alright? So I've done other videos on the road in St. Thomas, the roadway in St. Thomas. However, I've actually realized that they're actively working on this road, guys. Like, there's no pause in the road work. So you could pass today, you could pass by the road today and see something, and pass by tomorrow and there was an improvement on it, you know. So I am back at it again out in St. Thomas. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at the roadway out there and see on the new developments, the updates and all these things. Okay, people? So journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual, guys, I hope you enjoy. Alright, so as I said, we've pretty much just left the Harborview community. We're heading towards the Bull Bay community now. Alright? We're approaching Shooters Hill. And we're just gonna make our way to St. Thomas. Now Shooters Hill would be this left right here. Take it to Shooters Hill. Alright? The water looks pristine, guys. The colors of the water looks, oh my god, it looks good. Weather is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. It's really nice. The ocean looks really good. Now, guys, there's a lot of quarries. Like there's a lot of mining take place out here, right? And out here, like this section of the island is kind of dusty to me, to be honest. Yeah, it's kind of dusty, guys. I don't know if I could live out here right now, you know. But this part here has been like this from ever since, to be honest. it has been this way, to be honest. And then as you know further out, when you go over into St. Thomas, you know, further out, because they're doing the roads and all of that, yeah, it's dusty. And then you have all these heavy duty vehicles passing by, because as I said, there are quarries out here and they do a lot of mining, so you find a whole lot of trucks, guys, a whole lot of trucks out this side. So yeah, going on another trip to St. Thomas. And as I said, they're actively working on this road, guys, so every day there's something different. I'm telling you, if you look on all my videos, guys, even if you look on other videos of this area, once they weren't recorded on the same day, trust me, it's something new in all of them. Look at this van man speeding down. Oh my gosh. Oh, take your time, brother, take your time. And the road to St. Thomas has always been bumpy, to be honest, you know. So when a lot of persons say, oh, St. Thomas road not good, them a fix the whole of St. Thomas road and all of them somewhere, like, the road has always been like this, people. Like, me been a travel the road there from me a youth. You get me? Yeah, from me a little youth, me a travel the road there. So me know the road there, bumpy and it wheelie and all of that, because of the heavy duty vehicles that me travel on it daily. You get me? So I'm kind of used to it. If I tell you the truth, it's really not a big issue for me if I say if I need to drive to St. Thomas for whatever reason. It's not a big issue for me if I tell you the truth, because we've been used to the road there, even where them have the little waterfalls that come out of the rock there. So I think what them call it here, the Roselle. Yeah, that's a been bad from ages now. You get me? Been bad. So you know to say the big issue, people. Trust me. And guys, from time to time you're gonna see me I wipe the glass because of the dust and stuff. And me I gonna have the windows rolled down for, you know, as much as me can endure. If me get to a section where it's really dusty, me have to go wind it up and crank a little AC. But for the most of the journey still, me hope to get the keep the windows down and so me can get them natural sounds from outside, alright? And I was having a juice, so having little grape soda, I don't know much. So the ice left in the cup now, so I kind of drink it out. Alright? So yeah. But look at the side of the road, people. You notice the trees, the bush? It have a whitish look. Sorry, I have ice in my mouth. But you notice it have a whitish look? That's the dirt and the dust, people. Dirt and the dust. Nah, lie though, people, the breeze is really nice out there. Well, we're on the coastline still. The beach, the ocean is just right there, so you know, to my right. Yeah, coastline is to my right. Guys, you have to expect a lot of this, because as I said, they're actively working, guys. They're actively working. So you have to expect a lot of these delays and all of that stuff, you know? Yeah. Alright people, so we're continuing the journey. We had a little bit of delay right there, but we're continuing the journey, guys. Alright? I think I'm gonna give this glass a little bit of cleaning too. As I said, guys, I'm gonna have to be doing this a bit because, you know, out here is really dusty. So just bear with that. Yeah, just take a couple seconds. So to the right over there you can see that they built a bridge. Yeah. Which is gonna be a part of the road. But as I said guys, these people they're working actively. Yeah, so to the right there's a bridge. Alright, so we're now crossing over into the parish of St. Thomas. Just left St. Andrew and we're in the parish of St. Thomas. Still in the Bull Bay area, guys. There are two signs, two quarries up that side to my left. That's a road that will take you to those two quarries. So as I said, there's a lot of quarries out here, people, a lot of mining being done in this area. Hence why the place is so dusty as well. So it's not only about the road that is building why this place is so dusty, but yes, it does contribute, but there's quarries out here as well. And a lot of heavy duty vehicles, be a big truck. big truck, people. Yeah. As you know, the heavy duty vehicle them have right away, you could say. So this road is will have a whole heap of wheel in it. Yeah. This road been like this for a long time, people. Long time. As I say, because of the heavy duty vehicles them. Been like that. So to my left up here, you can see that there's a part of the road that, you know, pretty much reach a far away. They aren't allowing us to drive on that section as yet, but based on how it looks, you know that it is pretty soon they will allow us up there. So as I said, guys, they're actively working all day, every day. I mean, this project this project has been, you know, going on for some time now. But I guess it's the length of the project, you know, that's why it's taking so long. But yeah, actively working. I mean, I wish it was you know, I wish it was I wish it was you know, going on a bit faster and all that, but it is what it is. We have to work with it. But if you look, as I say, over on the left hand side, you can see they're doing something over there, and it's just a matter of time before they say okay, because I can see that the white line is paved and all of that. So yeah, the white line is marked out, I should say, and all of that. So it's not looking too bad, people. not looking all that bad, to tell you the truth. I see excavator up there digging away. Sound that you hear is the excavator making that sound. Excavator them call it, right? Wow, look here. The light pole. Pretty soon they're gonna move that though. Alright, so she's stopping me right here. Alright. There's a truck coming out. Alright, flat girl, you're doing your job. Alright. There, if you look to the left up there again, you know, so work is going on, guys. Work is going on. That was a patrol. Guys, a whole heap of dust, people. Nah, lie to you, the place dusty. Whole heap of dust, people. Whole heap of dust. Yeah, so one thing when you're driving in the country, you have to listen, people. You have to listen, because if you're not listening, you're buck up in something with truck and all these things. So yeah. Look at the dust, people. Yo, look at the dust. Alright, so we about now to touch a pretty part of the smooth road. Yeah. When you dip on that little stretcher, just open over there and me I tell you say the man him not ram fi overtake and a speed pan it, me I tell you. Yeah man, him not ram. See sign say 30 kilometers. People look at that view. Oh my god, Jamaica is beautiful, ain't it? Yeah, Jamaica is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. What are your thoughts, guys? What do you think about it? What do you think about the road so far? Let me know in the comments, alright? Alright, taxi man. Up ahead on the left again is another section again that looks to be, you know, reached to a level where pretty soon they will allow us on that part as well. Yeah, you know, just to have a more freer flow of the traffic and all. Yep. Yeah, right on this section here, over here on my left. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna allow us on there pretty soon, people. Yeah. So the work is coming along, right? Yeah, it's coming along. It's about time though. It's about time. It's about time. Not gonna lie, because this road it's been building since forever, so it's about time. Dust is real though, people. Dust is real. It ain't no joke. And look behind me, there's a cloud of dust. Well, I don't think these little masks can save me, brother. I don't want a respirator out of it. Trust me. So we're in the vicinity of the Albion community, as you can see on that sign on the right. And we're continuing to make our way towards the Marham Bay area. So this wall right here look as if it was built by whoever is building the highway as well, because it's you know, it's one, it's like it's uniform, so it looks that way to me. Yeah, if you look at it, wall, perimeter wall on my left, most of it looks uniform. Yeah, man. So maybe they took some of these people's lands, I'm not sure. Usually when they do that, they give them back a perimeter fence. They have to build it back, usually. It hasn't been a bad commute so far, guys. Honestly, it hasn't been. You know? It's coming along. Pretty good journey so far. Alright, music in the background here. Need to hurry up and get out. So yeah, hasn't been that bad so far, to tell you the truth. Honestly, it hasn't been. Because come along pretty smooth, apart from that delay that we encountered, you know, close to the beginning out there in Bull Bay. No, nothing major so far. It's not too bad. Not too bad, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. So when you're driving here now, you know, you just have to be courteous as drivers. If, for instance, on this right hand side, that there's no shoulder, there's no soft shoulder. So like this vehicle coming now, persons over this side is expected to, you know, drift over and yeah, take a look at rocky road. Because him not have no shoulder over film side for go over pan, you understand? So yeah. So it's just extending courtesy and being courteous while driving along this way, because it's affecting everybody, you know, and it will benefit everybody as well. So yeah. Why this truck is coming so fast though? See him? Taxi man have to hurry up and come out of the road. If you get time on the road, General. Get time. This is the road condition, people. I guess they dig up this because they were laying pipes. When you see how this dig, they definitely dug a trench here. So all of this is pipe laying. Yeah. Shout out to Water Commission. I think I had a video about dropping some real fire upon them, you know. But shout out to them for this because, you know, it's good. You lay the pipe from now because you know so the whole road I got fixed. So lay the pipe so we can get this thing, you know, going. Once it going, we don't need to dig it up back and, you know. Yeah. I feel lay a water pipe. I know Water Commission. Good pan that. Alright, so we're in the vicinity of Yalas. As you can see on a few of these signage, Yalas High School is pretty close by as well. There's a lot of dust out here though, guys. A lot of dust. So out here you can see where they wet the road. I guess to hold down the dust and stuff, you know. Yeah. But normally when they building road, they normally have a water truck every now and then up and down, up and down. Kind of wet the place and keep down the dust. You know? Yeah. people. So here is, I would refer to it as like the square, yellow square, you know. Yeah, I would refer to it as yellow square. Yeah. So still making our way towards Marant Bay. Alright people. But as I say, honestly so far it's really not a bad drive, guys. Honestly. I wouldn't say it's a bad drive, tell you the truth. It's not a bad drive so far. Not much delays. Because I have previous videos and it's a whole heap of delay. I've seen other videos too with people. There's a whole heap of delay. So not a bad drive. Alright, I need to go. Yes, people, still on our way. So you see where they mark this road, they mark this line here, they're gonna cut it. Yeah, that's why they mark it. They're gonna cut it to lay the pipes. And right here we have Yellow Span. Is this a section that they talk about where the water turned red at certain time of the year and because people was fighting over land and I don't know, you always hear some stuff, you know, man. Jamaica full of it. I don't know, but if you don't hear that story, they are familiar with that story, they just share with me and make me know what really happened. Alright? Yeah, share it with me. Alright, so there's a little delay up here. Trust me, guys. You can't stop saying this. It's a lot of dust. Honestly, there is. It's very dusty, guys. Very dusty. long time you live for the fears. Guys, the view is it's breathtaking, guys. Like looking to my right over the cliff right there where the ocean is, it's really amazing. It's a very nice view, guys. Yep, it is. Look at that. Jamaica is beautiful, people. Look at this. So that's where we're going. In front of us up there, we're going up on top of there. Copyright. Can't deal with that. Trust me, people. It's a real vibe traveling this route. Honestly, it is. Yeah. Drop a comment, alright? You see them call Roach Gully? Drop a comment for me, the people, please. Please, me, I beg you. Tell me, talk to me. Let me know. This is Roach Gully. I think so. I'm not sure. No, you have so many name Roach Gully still. I'm not sure if it's in St. Thomas or Portland. But yeah. Drop a comment, please, for the people from St. Thomas. Drop a comment. What bigs? I just pass one place, whole heap of Seamas. Irish mash for days. Right that section let me just pass. If you don't want Irish mash, just stop right there, sir. Purple one, the gold one, the brownish color looking one. Yep. For days, people. Irish mash for days. this, people. So I think out there say them call Roselle. Yeah, because I think we're close to the waterfalls. Yep. From ever since me know St. Thomas still, me know say out there say normally bad. Because I think the ocean come over more time with the bad weather and thing. Yeah, and damage the road. So it's like them never really pay much mind. Them just low it. Just low it up, you know. But others always have this rocky to it, people. From them time to till. Go on bike, man. Go on. Your world, brother. Your world. See waterfall there, man. I take a nice bath. Yeah, people, life in Jamaica, yeah? Look at the ocean, guys. And y'all know that the ocean is more rougher on this side of the island, right? Yeah, and Portland side as well. I just like him full some water buckle. Don't go too fast, cause this look like it's slippery. within the Roselle community. People, you see how big these raindrops are. Yeah, some huge ass raindrops. Okay, people, so we're almost in Morant Bay. We're pretty close. And as I said earlier, it hasn't been a bad drive, guys. Honestly, it hasn't been. To be honest, this is one of my better drives. Trust me, on this road here. Truck man, why am I going so? I'm all a blue hand, people. Why am I going so far? No, I can't be. Here. No, man. I don't know, people. I don't know. To my left here was the Goodyear tire factory. Yeah, it was a Goodyear tire factory, people. Over to my left, but it's no longer in existence, as you can see. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, this has been one of my better drives, honestly. It has been. Not much delays and all that. You see, that's what I'm saying. Like, every day is something new on this road. Trust me. Every day. If I could give you daily updates on this road, I would, honestly. But I can't. And guys, as you can see, we have now entered Morant Bay. Basically, we're at the roundabout. So just do the right thing, guys, and subscribe to the channel and all these things. Click on the like button and all these things, and I appreciate, 100%. Alright? Big up.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.